Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bead Kits is probably one of the most popular and engaging crafting activities for girls aged 7 to 12, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, fine motor skill development, and the satisfaction of making unique jewelry and accessories. These kits often include a wide variety of colorful beads, elastic cords, and sometimes even additional decorative elements, providing everything a young crafter needs to unleash their imagination and create personalized bracelets, necklaces, and keychains. Number 5. Charm Bracelet Making Kit. It has everything you need to create beautiful bracelets. Unleash your creativity and design unique accessories for yourself or as gifts. This kit includes a variety of charming themed charms and beads. Unicorns, mermaids, and more add a touch of whimsy to your creations. It's easy to use, no tools, glue, or mess. Just add beads and screw on the end cap. No need to search for extra supplies. Everything you need to make stunning charm bracelets is right here. It's an excellent gift for girls who love DIY projects. It's fun, encourages artistic expression, and enhances fine motor skills. What we like? It has many charms and beads to create unique bracelets. If you like unicorns and mermaids, this is perfect for you. It's easy to use, so you can create beautiful bracelets without any mess. What people say. The kit comes with a wide variety of colorful beads, charms, and everything you need to create unique bracelets. The unicorn and mermaid themed charms are so cute and really capture the imagination of young kids, especially girls who are into those themes. The instructions are easy to follow, and my daughter had no trouble creating her first bracelet. The beads are high quality and easy to string, which makes the process fun and frustration-free. We love that it comes with so many charms to choose from. Many necklaces have been made already. Number 4. Just My Style ABC Beads. It's time to unleash your creativity. This kit has everything you need to make over 40 unique accessories. Follow the easy instructions or let your imagination run wild. With 1,000 plus beads and charms, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match to create custom jewelry, keychains, and more. Let your style shine. Express yourself. Use the alphabet beads and charms to spell out names, words, or phrases. It's a fun way to personalize your creations and improve your spelling. Beading is a fantastic activity for kids and adults alike. It improves hand-eye coordination and encourages self-expression through creative fun. Everything is included for your crafting convenience. From elastic cord and wax cords to alphabet beads, charms, and easy-to-follow instructions, you're all set to begin. What we like? This kit includes over 1,000 beads and charms, including alphabet beads. If you are looking for a kit to create personalized accessories, this is the one. You can spell out names and create unique jewelry. What people say. This is a fun gift, the packaging is super cute and it looks exciting to open. There's lots of beads included to make lots of different designs. I personally love how many letter beads this kit includes and the mix of letters is great. Not all consonants or odd letters. There has always been some serious ABC customizations on every bracelet made with our kits, so I bought 5 for gifting to kids' classmates and 2 for my kids. No complaints have been made about the kit. Lots and lots of beads to keep my 7-year-old granddaughter busy and happy. It is a good gift for school holidays to give some peace and quiet all around. Number 3. Bead Pets by Horizon Group. It's time to get crafty. This kit has everything you need to create adorable bead pets. With over 640 vibrant pony beads, the possibilities are endless. Make cute animals or design your own unique creations. Choose from 10 fun project guides featuring cats, frogs, dragonflies, and more. Or let your imagination run wild and design your own bead pet. Attach them to your keys, backpack, or lunchbox. They're perfect for carrying your cute creations everywhere you go. The included case is more than just storage, it's a portable crafting station. Keep everything organized and ready for your next project. This complete kit includes pony beads, key rings, lanyard clips, satin cords, and an easy-to-use storage case. Let's get started. What we like? With 640 plus pony beads, you can make 10 different bead pets. If you enjoy creating cute animal keychains, this kit is perfect. The included storage case keeps everything organized. What people say. The colors of the beads are very vibrant and there are enough supplies to make all the animals in the kit. My 9-year-old and I had so much fun with this. The beads are very durable and the animals. It makes her so cute. It is very easy to use and fun even for a very small children. This was very age appropriate. The designs are super cute. Really fun activity. Number 2. Goody King Jewelry Kit. It has everything you need to start creating. This kit includes glass beads, letter beads, charms, strings, and more. Kids, teens, and adults will love making bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's the perfect creative activity for everyone. With so many beads and colors, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create unique jewelry. No more messy beads. It comes in a convenient storage box, keeping everything neat and tidy. Give the gift of creativity. This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Express yourself with this amazing kit. Make personalized jewelry that reflects your unique style and personality. What we like. This kit has 5,000 plus beads and comes in an organized storage box. If you need a large variety of beads for various projects, this is a great choice. It's perfect for making many different bracelets and necklaces. What people say. Perfect size. Great variety of colors. Lots of string. I was able to make 82 bracelets. I bet I could have made a few more if I had made some of the phrases longer. Definitely had more extra letters than I expected. A great assortment of beads and letters for making Taylor Swift-style friendship bracelets. We had it out at a party, and barely put a dent in it despite making many bracelets. So it's great value. Number 1. Clay Beads Jewelry Kit. It's time to get crafty. This kit has everything you need to make bracelets, necklaces, and so much more. Simply thread the beads onto a string, no special skills required. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. All the beads are neatly organized in separate compartments for easy access and cleanup. No more messy crafting spaces. It's a great way to spend quality time with loved ones, fostering creativity and imagination. Bond with your kids while making unique gifts. This kit makes a wonderful gift for kids aged 6 to 12. It's an engaging activity that keeps them away from screens and encourages their creativity. With colorful beads and easy-to-follow instructions, you can create beautiful jewelry and fun accessories. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This kit uses clay beads that are easy to string together. If you are looking for a simple and fun kit for various jewelry, this is it. You can make bracelets, necklaces, and more with ease. What people say. Well organized, good quality, lots of colors. This is a great gift for crafting. You can make bracelets, necklaces. The colors are all so pretty, great to make and give to friends for little gifts. They are a lot of fun to make. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.